Planet Facts Trivia. How much do you know about the planets?
Let's find out.
Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter.
Which is the hottest planet?
Venus.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun.
True. Which planet has 2 moons? Mars. Which planet is our home? Earth. Neptune is the coldest planet. False. Which is the farthest planet from the Sun? Neptune. Which planet has bright rings? Saturn. Which planet has 1 moon? Earth. Mars has a red spot. False. Which planet has water in all 3 forms: solid, liquid, gas? Earth. Which planet is called the evening star? Venus. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. Which planet is known for having the largest volcano? Mars. Which is the farthest planet from the Sun? Neptune. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. Which is the name of Earth's only natural satellite? Moon. Which planet has a moon called Titan? Saturn. Which planet has days longer than years? Venus. Which planet has the strongest winds? Neptune. Which planet is the second largest? Saturn. Which planet has a great dark spot? Neptune. Which planet has the slowest rotation? Venus. What do we call the path planets follow around the Sun? Orbit. Which planet has the biggest mountain called Olympus Mons? Mars. Solar system is part of which galaxy? Milky Way. Which planet is covered mostly by ice? Mars. Which planet looks greenish-blue because of methane gas? Uranus. Which planet spins the fastest on its axis? Jupiter. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter. Which planet is heavier, Earth or Mars? Earth. Which planet's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide? Mars.
Which planet has once thought to be covered with canals?
Mars. Which planet's year lasts 88 Earth days? Mercury. What is the brightest planet in the night sky? Venus. Which planet is named after the Roman god of the sea? Neptune. Which planet name starts with S? Saturn. What protects Earth from harmful sun rays? Ozone layer. What is the sun mainly made of? Gas. Which planet has two moons named Phobos and Deimos? Mars.
Which planet has the biggest temperature difference between day and nights?
Mercury. What planets rains diamonds? Saturn and Uranus. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? Saturn. Which planet is the brightest in the night sky after the moon? Venus. How many Earths can fit inside the sun? 1.3 million. Well done. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Also like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.